Welcome all of you. Today we are discussed about the numericals based on the polyphase AC circuit. Numerical number 4. Above example is solved by using delta connection and all other values are same. We seen numerical number 3 in which balanced star connection is given. And this example we solve the numerical number 3 using delta connection. So we seen first numerical number 3. Okay, numerical number 3, a balanced star connected load consists of 3 resistances, each of 4 ohms connected to 400 volt 3 phase 50 hertz supply. In this example, balanced star connection load is given, but we solve the numerical number 4 by using delta connected load, in which 3 resistances each of 4 ohm, that is per phase resistance is 4 ohm. Which is connected to 400 volt 3 phase 50 hertz is supply, that is line voltage is or supply voltage is equal to 400 volt 3 phase 50 hertz. So we calculate the phase voltage, VPH line phase current, IPH line current, VL, and power consumed P. Okay, now we solve this example numerical number 3 by delta connection. In delta connection, the circuit is contain only resistive element. Therefore, Z1 is equal to R1, Z2 is equal to R2, and Z3 equal to R3. But the value is same because balanced the delta connected load. Therefore, Z1 is equal to Z2 is equal to Z3 is equal to RPH, which is equal to 4 ohm. The value of resistance is 4 ohm. Now, the line voltage is equal to 400 volt 3 phase 50 hertz supply. Now we calculate the VPH, IPH, IL and power consumed. In delta connected system, line current is equal to root 3 times phase current and line voltage is equal to VPH, or phase current is equal to IL by root 3. Now we calculate the value of phase voltage. The value of line voltage is given is 400, that is supply voltage is same as line voltage. Okay, therefore VPH is equal to VL is equal to 400 volt. Given voltage is supply voltage, therefore it is line voltage. Now we calculate the value of phase current. Phase current is equal to the IL by root 3, or IPH is equal to VPH by ZPH. Here VPH is given is equal to 400 volt, but ZPH is unknown. But this circuit contains only resistive element. Therefore, we consider ZPH as RPH. Therefore, ZPH is equal to RPH is equal to 4 ohm. Therefore, value of IPH is equal to VPH divided by RPH. 400 volt divided by 4 ohm. The value of phase current is equal to 100 ampere. Now we calculate the value of line current. Line current is equal to root 3 times phase current. Therefore, value of phase current is 100 ampere. Therefore, IL is equal to root 3 into 100. The answer of this multiplication is equal to 173.205 ampere. The phase current is 100 ampere. The line current is 173.205 ampere. Now we calculate the 3 phase active power or power consumed. The formula for P is equal to root 3 into VL into IL into cos phi. The value of cos phi is equal to unity because the 3 phase balanced load contains only a resistive type of load, and the phase angle of resistive element is 0 degree and cos phi is unity, that is 1. Therefore, active power P is equal to root 3 into VL that is 400 into IL that is 173.205 into 1. The answer of this multiplication is equal to the value of active power is equal to 119.99 kilowatt. Okay, the example is completed. Thank you.